Hello! Let's have a very basic and introduction video for this channel. Well, in this channel, I have uploaded already some videos, but this is an introductory video to this channel. What I am going to upload and what videos I am going to have it here. Well, you may think why I have this. Because I want to upload the Python basics. I want to upload the programming language basics videos. So I want you to learn these basics. And you may think that Python or any programming language is not needed. We can have it here by like any AI tools. So the programming might not be so much well in use nowadays because we can have all the codes from like some AI tools. I'm agreed with you, but AI is a tool. It is not something which you can have all the things. You can use that tool which you can like you have your code easy. Well, you can debug your code easily, but you cannot have all the things. Like if you don't understand the basic of some programming language, if you don't understand the basic of something, you cannot have all the things from that tool. You may have all the things, but you do not understand how to manage that, how to use that. So that's why I'm uploading all the basics videos and project based and everything step by step and everything. So you have to learn this and you have to, and even I will tell how to use the AI tool. Like there are many like ChatGPT, Gemini, Perplexity, Claude, specifically for coding. So these tools I can tell you how we can use this. So let me tell you in first what I'm going to teach, what videos I can upload. I will upload in this channel. So I will teach all the things related to Python, JavaScript, Django, React.js, Django REST framework, React Native specifically for mobile application, SQL like database, PostgreSQL, all the commands, all the things, HTML plus CSS plus Bootstrap and all other related frameworks and libraries like Tailwind CSS, Material UI, and everything which is many people use nowadays like Next.js. And I will build a complete projects. I will show you each and everything. I'll show you npm, not node packages module. I'll show you pip and everything related to that, from the basics till advanced, from like 0 to like 100. Everything you will understand, either library, framework, and everything. So first of all, I'm going to have all the videos or all the things related to Python. Well, I've already recorded and I've already uploaded some videos. So the Python basics, I'll talk about the Python basics. The Python basics like loops, like well variables, like terminology, some terminology like data types. These are very important for the basics of Python. You have to learn all of them. In intermediate we will talk about the OOP, like functions, object oriented programming principles and pillars, each and everything in detail. Even I have uploaded some videos related to this. In advanced like machine learning, like well AI, how to use that, how we can train the model, how we can collect the data, and what is the scraping, web scraping, and how web works. These things will be I will teach in Python advanced. So you will learn all the things from basic till advanced of Python in this channel. If you follow, if you watch step by step each video one after other, and I'll upload all of them. So you will learn this and you will not like there will not be any barrier using these things. So you can develop best projects. You can have like the skill of Python, because nowadays when AI became very prominent, Python became very famous among the developers, among the programmers in the world. Like many companies use Python for their machine learning models, for their well, it is libraries, it's frameworks for their well data training, model training, and all the things related to AI. You will learn this, and you yourself can have AI chatbot or something like that. So many companies use nowadays the chatbots and all the things related to AI. So when you learn the Python, you can develop these things very easily. So you will understand basics, intermediate, and advanced. Just follow step by step each and every videos. So in the next step, I will talk about the JavaScripts from basics till advanced. So it will be the basics like for loop, variable, data types, and functions. And intermediate level, I'll talk about constructor function, I'll talk about OOP and everything related to that. In advanced, we will talk about libraries. We see many libraries like React, like React Native, thousands of libraries there are in JavaScript, because it is a scripting language nowadays. In front end, each and every website in front end in the world has even has used one JavaScript library. And we will talk about the JavaScript, how we can use that with HTML live, like how we can make everything will dynamic. So I'll talk about this. In HTML stands for hypertext markup language. It is a markup language. Well, I'll talk about the basics like tags and everything. Intermediate and advanced. In advanced level, we can have projects. We can build like simple basic HTML. So in this part, we will talk about the browsers, how browser works, how like DOM works, how well internet works, when the history of internet, how HTML became so famous. Well, all the things we will cover. In the next step, we will talk about CSS and Bootstrap in real world projects. We can use the HTML, we can use the CSS, we can use the Bootstrap, all the things we can collectively we can use, and we will have a real world projects. So I'll talk about this step by step, and you will just follow each and everything. So we'll talk about machine learning and AI, as I told you in the concept of Python when we talked about the Python. So in the machine learning or AI part, we'll talk about data collection, how valuable the data is, how we can collect that, how we can arrange those data, and how we can clean those data. Data cleaning is very, very important, well, concept and even steps in machine learning when we just train the model, when we use that. So in machine learning, data cleaning is very important. We will talk about this. We'll talk about data collection, how we can arrange all the things. We'll talk about data cleaning, how we can clean a data when we collect like thousands of lines of, well, in CSV file when we have, or in Excel form we have, and how we can model that, we can train that model, and how we can use that trained model. So in the next step, we'll talk about the Django as well. So MVT, model view template, and DRF, Django REST framework. And we will talk about documentation reading. It's very, very important. If you don't understand how to read the documentation, you cannot understand how you code. You cannot understand the basics. You cannot understand how your code works. So that's why when you find some kind of course or from any AI tool, you will not understand, you will not figure out how it works. That's why we will talk about documentation reading. So each and everything will be covered here. After that, we will have a project on Django and production ready projects. We will have this each and everything step by step, nothing will be left here. So we'll talk about the React.js as well, like how a website can be designed, how we can consume API when we create API with a Django REST framework or any other like Node.js. So how we can consume that API, and what is state, what props and arrow function, components, and each and everything related to React.js we will talk, and we will cover all the things. Nothing will be left here. So in the next part, we can talk about the Next.js. So all of them will be a complete playlist. It's better you just follow each and everything. I will arrange everything, every videos on a playlist, and you just follow each one of them, and you will understand any of them. So building real world projects, because nowadays Next.js is very, very famous among the developers, among the front-end developers. Every company, every big companies in the world use this Next.js. So you have to understand this, that Next.js is very, very important, like framework of React.js. In the next part, we will talk about SQL from basics to advanced. SQL, structured query language, and we will talk about the databases like MongoDB, PostgreSQL, each and everything. Nothing will be left. I will cover each and everything. So I'll talk about the frameworks and libraries. All related frameworks and libraries will be covered. The concepts will be covered. The concepts will be like discovered. Everything, nothing will be left here. So frameworks are very, very important. You have to understand each and everything. The like libraries. we have seen many libraries in Python, we have seen many libraries in JavaScript and frameworks. Like in Python, there is a very famous framework like Django we can use for backend DRF, like Django REST framework. We can build API, and each and everything I will cover. I will have a project, big project, like I will use the machine learning and model training, each and everything. Like we have recommendation system, like book recommendation system and job recommendation system, and like we have some filter, like using machine learning data. We will collect the data, we will clean the data, and I'll show each and everything step by step. You cannot learn this from this video or from that video. You will be confused when you cannot focus on some like specific task. When you just search for a video and on YouTube, you cannot focus, or you cannot find what you want. So there are millions of videos when you just search a title or something which you want. So this is the only channel you will find each and everything related to programming, related to framework, related to Python specifically, because in nowadays machine learning and AI become so famous. So you will find each and everything. So I will have a project, I'll teach each and everything. So I'll talk about Docker, A to Z concepts, each and everything will be covered here. I'll talk about Git and GitHub. So this is very important. So each and every developer has to know this. Every developer should master this, Git and GitHub. So I'll talk about like a real world project. As I told you that I'll develop a project, I'll use Next.js, I'll use like React.js, and I'll use Django REST framework, machine learning, Python, JavaScript, like HTML. I'll talk about this, how HTML is so important. I'll talk about CSS, like Material UI, and like any framework or libraries which are so famous in recent days or in nowadays and among the developers. So I'll use each and everything, and I'll clear all the concepts, and the project will be like developed fully from scratch, and you will understand how you can like know each and everything. Nothing will be left from you. So thank you for this. And if you want to know, if you want to just learn the coding, the programming, the software concepts, so you can just subscribe this channel, and don't like be distracted. Your mind should be focused. You just focus on one channel or one thing, that you will find everything related to your skill, related to your future, related to your career. So this channel will help you. I'll guarantee, I'll show you everything what you want related to Python, related to software engineering and coding, each and everything. Don't be distracted, don't focus for each and everything, because when you search some videos on YouTube, millions of videos will be in front of you. You cannot decide which one of them is very important for you, or which one of them you should just watch. That's why this channel is one stop for you, one point to stop, and you will find each and everything. Thank you for your attention.